restoring headlights in a slightly different way. This is DIY Detail, and today we're going to restore these headlights in a way you may have never seen before. Super simple, super easy, no sandpaper involved. So, first thing we need to do actually is I'll take my gloves off because it makes the taping easier. I'm going to tape around the headlight. That way I don't go past it and I don't damage anything around it. Not that there's a lot to damage on this car, but nonetheless, always respect the vehicle you're working on. The tape you use isn't important. You just want a nice low tack tape that isn't afraid of a bit of moisture. And this one got all nice and twisted up. There we go. I like to tuck it in between the light and the body panel first, and wrap it around, wrap it up. That way that edge is nicely protected down to the bottom. Tape really likes to curl up. Again, tuck it in between the headlight and the panel. Keep working your way around the headlight like that until you get all the paint around the headlight covered, and then we'll be moving on to the next step. If, in your case, the hood comes down over the light, just open the hood for that portion. Makes it a little easier. On this ledge here, I'm actually going to put a little bit more tape because when I'm polishing, I may go down and touch this little corner since it's sticking out. I just want to protect it a little bit more. Gloves back on, and we'll move on to the next step. This is where normally you'd get out some sandpaper, but like I mentioned, we'll be doing it a little bit differently today. For the sanding portion or the abrasive portion, we'll be using All Clean. That will actually help break down some of the yellowing on the headlight, and a Scotch-Brite pad. Scotch-Brite pad is a little abrasive. This is about equivalent to an 800 grit sandpaper, but seeing as it's got a thickness to it, I'm not going to gouge into the headlight at all. For a little All Clean on the headlight, and if you have a headlight with a lot of interesting contours, this will help you get into those contours a little easier. Let me bring you in a little closer. You don't need to see me, you need to see the headlight. So you can see here all the yellow running off of the headlight. You can see it over that there. That is basically the All Clean breaking down some of that oxidation and using the Scotch-Brite pad to agitate it and a little bit of abrasive along the way. Please do not use toothpaste, DEET, or anything else on your headlights. And please don't use a clear coat. So we've broken through some of that yellowing. I'm going to continue with this to continue clearing it up until I get a result that I like, and then we'll compound it. Keeping my hand flat, I've got as much surface area as possible with the Scotch-Brite pad, making my work a little faster and a little easier. Inspect where we are. Every time the headlight is getting clearer and clearer, allow it to dry off for a second. You'll see it has sort of a whitish haze. That's from the abrasion of the Scotch Brite pad. So, yes, it is a little bit abrasive, but at the same time, we're chemically removing a lot of that oxidation using the All Clean. In the 16-ounce bottle, the All Clean comes ready to use. You're buying it in a gallon concentrate, dilute it 15 to 1 for this job. We'll let this completely dry and then we'll compound it. So you can see as it's drying, we have a bit of a yellowish haze to it. Put a couple of drops of compound on my wool pad. There we have 2 little drops of compound. I'll start in the center to get the compound onto my pad everywhere. Easy to see where I've been with the compound, easy to see where I haven't. Let me add another drop of compound on. I'll go to the other side and polish that up. More little drops of compound. I'll start again here and work my way that way. Let me remove the tape and then put a bit of ceramic coating on this to protect it even more. Moving tape with gloves on, not a simple task, but there, I got it. Have a couple drops of coating on my applicator. We'll apply it to the surface of the light. Let it sit for a moment. Come back, level it off, and our headlight will be nicely restored. Stay this way for a number of years. Ideally, when you're done with a headlight, if you have the option of paint protection film, it is the best protection for your headlight. It's going to keep it from crazing, cracking. The paint protection film will wear out over time. You just pull it off, put a new one on. So again, we'll let this sit for a few more seconds. It hasn't completely flashed off. Yeah, still damp, making sure I've got all the way up to the edges of the light. The coating has flashed. Go over it with a leveling towel. And there we have it. And you can see how this light looks a lot better than that light. And it was an easy, simple thing to do. You don't have to worry about sandpaper, just a bit of Scotch Brite, a bit of All Clean, a bit of polish, and it's done. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, leave them below. In the meantime, there's another video you might want to watch about how we rescued this hood. It's right here.